Hello guys, in this tutorial I'd like to show you how to create and set up Bol Remove feed. The Remove feed deletes Bol offers for products deactivated in your store. To create a feed, click Add Channel button, search for Bol, select Remove Offers via API, and click Add Channel. Now you can edit the feed by channel settings. The Bol attributes are pre-mapped to your store attributes in this mapping table. There are just two attributes, encode and condition. Ensure those attributes are mapped correctly. And so we finish the remove feed setup. Click Save, and the remove feed is ready for submission. Click API Submission. The remove feed is connected to the Bol account you used for your offer feed. Set Enable Feed Auto Submission to Yes. Click Save Settings, and the remove feed is ready.